Hi, my name is Raiyana. I'm a grade 7 student currently finishing up science fair. My topic was called The Power of Light. My purpose was to investigate if plants could grow efficiently in artificial lights. My general hypothesis was that if the plants grow efficiently in artificial light, then all spectrums of the visible light spectrum would have been given and carbon dioxide and water during the process of photosynthesis, and the plant would grow successfully without dying. For the experiment, I had two plants under each different type of light. I tested fluorescent light, black light, sunlight, and no light. I was growing daffodils in this project. There is a limited amount of sunlight in December due to the season and time of year. 6 hours is approximately the time of daytime in December, so every day I turned off and on the artificial lights for a total of 6 hours. For 20 days, I observed the change of growth in centimeters of the plants. In the end, my hypothesis did not support my data, and therefore the black light plants grew the most, then the fluorescent light plants, then the sunlight plants, and then the plants which received no light. There may have been some causes why the black light grew the most. The electromagnetic spectrum is a scale of which frequencies of invisible and visible light have and how much energy is emitted. On the electromagnetic spectrum, as the waves on the chart have more space between them, the wavelengths are decreasing. If the wavelengths are getting skinnier, the energy source has a higher frequency. According to the electromagnetic spectrum, ultraviolet waves are higher on the scale than visible light. There are also three types of UV light: UVA, B, and C. The black light I was using was a fluorescent black light, so that was a UVA, and UVA is the closest to the visible light. That being said, violet is the closest color to the black light in the electromagnetic spectrum, so black light has a little bit of purple in it. And out of all the colors in the visible light spectrum, purple has the highest frequency. Black light has an even higher frequency than visible light. The black light tube also was a fluorescent type of light, and fluorescent light gives almost all the colors of the light spectrum. So there could be many reasons why the black light grew the most. Another cause is that the black light was only about 2 inches away from the plants, so because the black light was so close to the plants could have grown more. To improve my reliability for my project, I would have 3 trial plants instead of 2. For further inquiries, I would want to see if black light can grow certain plants better than others. Thank you for listening and have a good day. Thank you.